Mastering detection methods comparison. Companies are blind to inefficiencies without the right detection methods. Which detection methods are utilized in operational excellence initiatives, and how do they differ from one another in terms of their strengths, weaknesses, and applicability in identifying and addressing operational inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement? Detection methods are a crucial component of operational excellence initiatives, as they enable organizations to identify and address operational inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. Several detection methods are commonly utilized in operational excellence initiatives, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and applicability. One detection method is Gemba walks, which involve observing and analyzing work processes and activities in the actual work environment, Gemba. This method focuses on identifying non-value-added activities, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement. Gemba walks are particularly effective in identifying opportunities for incremental improvement, as they allow for real-time observation and feedback. However, they may not be effective in identifying more complex or systemic issues. Another detection method is root cause analysis, RCA, which involves identifying the underlying causes of problems or inefficiencies. RCA typically involves a structured approach to identifying and analyzing the sequence of events leading up to a problem, and identifying the root cause. This method is particularly effective in identifying systemic issues and opportunities for sustainable improvement. However, it can be time-consuming and may require significant resources. Six Sigma is a data-driven detection method that uses statistical tools and techniques to identify and quantify operational inefficiencies. Six Sigma involves identifying and addressing defects, variations, and waste in processes, and is particularly effective in identifying opportunities for improvement in high-volume or high-stakes processes. However, it may require significant investment in training and infrastructure. Kaizen events are a detection method that involves bringing together cross-functional teams to identify and address operational inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. Kaizen events are particularly effective in identifying opportunities for rapid improvement, as they facilitate collaboration and idea generation among team members. However, they may not be effective in identifying more complex or systemic issues. SWOT analysis is a detection method that involves identifying an organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT analysis is particularly effective in identifying strategic opportunities for improvement, as it allows for a broad consideration of internal and external factors. However, it may not be effective in identifying operational inefficiencies or opportunities for improvement at the process level. Lean process mapping is a detection method that involves visually mapping out processes to identify inefficiencies, waste, and opportunities for improvement. Lean process mapping is particularly effective in identifying opportunities for improvement in process flows, as it allows for a detailed analysis of process steps and activities. However, it may not be effective in identifying systemic or strategic issues. Statistical process control, SPC, is a detection method that involves monitoring and controlling process performance using statistical methods. SPC is particularly effective in identifying opportunities for improvement in process performance, as it allows for real-time monitoring and analysis of process data. However, it may require significant investment in training and infrastructure. In terms of strengths, each detection method has its own unique strengths and advantages. For example, Gemba walks are effective in identifying opportunities for incremental improvement, while Six Sigma is effective in identifying opportunities for sustainable improvement. RCA is effective in identifying systemic issues, while Kaizen events are effective in facilitating collaboration and idea generation. In terms of weaknesses, each detection method also has its own unique limitations and weaknesses. For example, Gemba walks may not be effective in identifying complex or systemic issues, while Six Sigma may require significant investment in training and infrastructure. RCA can be time-consuming, while Kaizen events may not be effective in identifying opportunities for sustainable improvement. In terms of applicability, each detection method has its own unique application and scope. For example, Gemba walks are applicable in process-intensive industries, while Six Sigma is applicable in high-volume or high-stakes processes. RCA is applicable in identifying systemic issues, while Kaizen events are applicable in facilitating collaboration and idea generation. In conclusion, detection methods are a crucial component of operational excellence initiatives, and each method has its own unique strengths, weaknesses, and applicability. By understanding the characteristics and limitations of each detection method, organizations can select the most effective method or combination of methods to identify and address operational inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement.